Good morning, distinguished members of the panel, respected faculty and colleagues. I am Chief Mate or Licensee Siva, instructor and assessor of the College of Maritime Education Program of St. Teresa MTC Colleges, Iloilo City. Today, I will be presenting completed research I entitled List Master Rules in Collision Regulation, Basis for Crafting an Instructional Module. This research is driven by a simple but critical concern. If coal rigs are the backbone of navigational safety, a misunderstanding, even a few K rules may result in serious operational consequences. This study addressed that concern through systematic analysis and instructional intervention. In summary, this study identified specific coal rigs rules that are consistently list mastered by maritime professionals. Using these findings, an instructional module was developed following established instructional design principle. The module was then evaluated through trainee satisfaction and expert validation, with results indicating a high level of instructional effectiveness and acceptability. The coal rigs are universally recognized as essential for safe navigation. However, in actual instruction and assessment, it becomes evident not only rules are equally understood. Most instructional materials treat coal rigs as a single body of knowledge, offering equal emphasis to all rules. This approach overlooks the reality that some rules are conceptually more difficult and operationally misunderstood. Existing research rarely answers three K questions together. Which rules are list mastered? Why are they list mastered? And how can instruction be redesigned to address them? This study responds directly to the gap. The rationale of this research is both educational and operational. By identifying list mastered rules, maritime instruction becomes targeted rather than generalized. This ensures instructional time is focused on high-risk areas of misunderstanding, ultimately contributing to safe navigation, better decision-making at sea. The study is anchored on system theory, operationalized through the input process output model, and supported by constructivist learning theory. In input, identification of list mastered rule coal rigs rules, and in the process, instructional design using ADDIE and the 5E instructional model. And in the output, a validated learner-centered instructional module. This framework ensured alignment between diagnosed learning gaps, instructional strategy, and expected learning outcomes. This study sought to answer four central questions. What are the list mastered rules in collision regulations? What instructional module was designed and developed based on the list mastered rules in collision regulations? What was the level of satisfaction and feedback by the trainees? What was the level of experts' acceptability of the instruction module? These questions guided the progression from problem identification to solution validation. A descriptive development research design was employed. The descriptive phase identified the instructional gaps, while the development phase focused on systematic module design, implementation, and evaluation. The ADDIE model guided the overall process, while the 5E model structured learner engagement and higher order understanding. The study involved 115 respondents. There are 100 deck instructors and active deck officers, 10 RFPNW trainees, and 5 expert evaluators. This composition ensured triangulation of perspective from practitioners, learners, and subject matter experts. The instrument were utilized a diagnostic survey for list-master Coleridge rules, a trainee satisfaction questionnaire, and an expert validation tool. All instruments achieve a content validity index of 1.0, indicating strong consensus among experts regarding clarity, relevance, and adequacy. The data collection followed a structured sequence: approval and informed consent, diagnostic assessment, module development, implementation with trainees, and expert validation. This ensured both methodological rigor and ethical compliance. Quantitative data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, while qualitative data were analyzed through thematic analysis. This mixed methods approach allowed not only measurement of levels, but also interpretation of feedback and instructional relevance. Ethical standards were rigorously observed, including informed consent, confidentiality, voluntary participation, and objectivity throughout the research process. The findings revealed 6 Coleridge rules with very high difficulty, including Rule 9, Rule 12, Rule 19, Rule 4, Rule 31, and Rule 38. Based on this result, an institutional module consisting of 11 lessons over 12.5 hours was developed. This satisfactions was rated high, while expert acceptability was rated very high, with perfect scores in learning outcomes, activities, and usefulness. This demonstrates strong alignment between identified learning gaps and instructional design. This study concludes that certain Coleridge rules consistently require focused instructional attention. By a systemically designed module can directly address these gaps. The developed module is pedagogically sound, relevant, and validated by both learners and experts. It is recommended that the instructional module be integrated into maritime curricula and refresher programs. Future research and may focus on long-term retention, real-world application, and adoption of digital or blended learning environments. This slide presents the key references that supported both the research, foundation, and the instructional design. This will be my bibliography in the APA 7th edition format. Once I publish this research, the unpublished master's thesis research manuscript will be deleted and will be a registered list master rules in collision regulations basis for crafting of an instructional module. Thank you for your time and attention. I am now open to any questions you may have.